Hey, it's Evelyn. Today we'll be talking about the Kingdom of Bhutan and its secret investments in Bitcoin. According to reports, Bhutan has been investing millions of dollars in BTC and other cryptocurrencies, which were previously kept hidden from the public. However, the recent bankruptcies of crypto lenders BlockFi and Celsius have revealed Bhutan's involvement in the crypto world. Court records show that Druk Holding and Investments, Bhutan's national investment arm responsible for managing a portfolio of domestic assets, has been a client of these lenders since at least 2022. Despite the accidental disclosure, Druk has continued to cultivate its crypto portfolio in secret. In the aftermath of the crypto contagion that resulted in the failure of multiple businesses, including FTX and Voyager, Druk was accused of defaulting. Over the last 3 months, Druk withdrew over $65 million and deposited around $18 million in digital assets. This news highlights the growing interest in cryptocurrencies worldwide and the potential for more countries to invest in them secretly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the world of cryptocurrencies.